morning vlog. Today is Friday and I just got out of bed. It's 1 p.m. That's actually insane. To be fair, it's like the grossest gray cloud weather I've ever seen. Like, so depressing. Like, would you want to get out of bed if this is what it looks like and it's just raining? Also, honestly, the past couple days have just been a lot. Obviously, 2 days ago, I went to the YouTube event, and then yesterday, I'm not kidding when I say I edited all day long. And when I was done editing, I just wanted to go to bed. We laid in bed and I probably sat in bed for like 2 hours with my eyes open, just like decompressing everything, like processing everything. It was definitely a lot, but I feel like I'm finally kind of getting back to normal a little bit. I mean, obviously I woke up so late today, but like I just feel like I genuinely needed that. Now I'm starving, so I'm gonna make some food. I'm thinking like something not healthy, like a grilled cheese or something like that. I'm also gonna make a coffee. I'm supposed to film today, like, because I have no more videos to post. But we'll just see how that ends up working out, because like I said, I gotta make food, make coffee, and then I do have to edit my vlog. So quickly, I know, because we're literally 3 months into this, posting every day. Like, are you guys still liking it? I mean, I'm gonna do it no matter what, but like, are you guys enjoying it? How's it been? Do you like the everyday vlogs? I know it's like hard to keep up sometimes, but I also know that some people use my vlogs in their daily routine. Please let me know, like, comment down below. Like, are you still liking the everyday vlogs? I made a pact to myself to do them every day this year, and I'm not gonna stop, but obviously I still want feedback. So I would love to know your guys' thoughts. But yeah, I'm gonna make some food now, make some coffee. So yeah. Hi vlog. I feel like I've really not vlogged a lot today, so I apologize about that, but it's 3 p.m. now and I just officially got done editing my vlog. I just posted it. Just been on my phone, like I've been scrolling. I actually just went through my camera roll and deleted 700 videos. 700 videos is insane. Barely made a dent. I was just looking at my like phone storage settings, or like the storage on my phone, and my old phone, it used to be TikTok that took the most storage on my phone. Guess what takes the most storage on my phone now? Photos. And then YouTube Studio, and then InShot, which is kind of funny. Yeah, it was kind of about time that I went through my phone and got rid of, because like I would just have all of the footage from all my vlogs on there, and there's no need for that. Like, I document it all on YouTube, so I don't need it on my photo album as well. Now I'm just severely debating what to do. The content creator, like, Capricorn side of me is like, get your fucking ass up and go film a video, and then the fucking other half of me is just like, take a nap. Probably is not gonna happen, to be honest. I'm probably gonna go film. I feel like I need to go film. Probably gonna go film here shortly. I might do like a Pinterest pics my makeup, because those are always fun. I just really want an energy drink. Like, I just feel like chugging an energy drink right now is like, would fix all my problems. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna update you guys with what ends up happening, but I'm probably gonna film. Okay, I just took a shower and I tried to like let the water like take away my tiredness. Like, every drop of water just like took away that much more of my tiredness, and now I'm ready to film. I don't have the most amount of energy ever, but I do know that I always feel better after I film. So I'm gonna do another Pinterest chooses my makeup look. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Supernatural while I like prep my skin, but besides that, I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup and yeah, just like do something productive today. I know that like taking time off and also giving yourself rest is part of that. I just feel like I can push myself a little bit more today, and you know, maybe I can rest tomorrow or something like that. I'm gonna do it. Hopefully it's gonna turn out good. I believe the universe will let it turn out good, so we're gonna see. Okay, psych, I'm not filming yet because Daddy Trev just got home.
And I got a check.
Ooh, Big Daddy T-Rev. Well, we're actually gonna run some errands now, and I'm not gonna film yet. Okay, Trev is my favorite person on this earth because not only is he getting us dinner tonight. Why you have that look?
What look?
He also got me Dutch Bros because I was craving an energy drink today. Did I tell you guys that? I don't remember, but if I did, then you know. Wow. Grapefruit, pomegranate, passion fruit. We did get a little re-up of the ganja, so I'm gonna hit this before I eat my dinner. Now we're gonna eat our dinner. We got Red Robin. Time for dinner. Trevor got salmon and it came with this little broccoli cup. This little salmon and rice. What? And fries? I got a crispy chicken sandwich. I'm so excited. One thing about Red Robin is they have this sauce and it's called campfire sauce and it's so good. I don't know what to describe it to. I mean, it's like a fry sauce, but it's just like the best. So it's so good. Oh my god, I love food so much. Get my sandwich. That looks so fucking good. Are you joking? Okay, low-key, I'm gonna put something on because I'm a little iPad kid. I'll see you guys when I'm done eating. Okay guys, I kind of look cool as fuck right now about to play Fortnite. Like, hello? With the fucking painting and light behind me, bro? I'm a cool girl. About to play Fortnite with my sister. I gotta take some selfies because this shit's kind of fire. Anyway, I'm gonna play some Fortnite. Watching the finale of our show, I think. Hey guys, I'm getting ready for bed right now. I'm gonna take my nightly meds to keep me sane. I actually can't get over the makeup look that I did tonight. I have this feeling that my video that I'm gonna be posting tomorrow is gonna pop the fuck off. So hopefully that is the case. That would be so cool. Imagine we can look back and be like, oh my god, Jada, you're literally a time traveler. I don't know if that's the right one. But I'm ready for all of the time traveling allegations, so bring them my way. I'm gonna do a little bit of thick moisturizer tonight because my skin needs it. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm just manifesting so many good things in life right now. And I'm manifesting the person watching also has so many amazing things happen to them. I love you guys. And I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Okay. Love you. Bye.